so each of every kind was loaded on the earth on time. Then Noah and his wife, son and their wives, began to load on in the earth, while Noah and his family began to sail through the long rainstorms that flooded the earth and wasted all humankind. 40 years and 40 nights until 40 days and 40 nights until the dawn showed up on the earth with an hour branch in his beak, that showing there was dry land coming upon them soon. Now, so, Robert, Papa, and Mama come with us to visit Grandma and Annie with their big rock puppy. Her pretty smile, her pretty blue eyes shine while Grandma sat her on her lap, while she tasted and tasted strawberry onto her face and into her mouth. Her pretty blue eyes shine while Grandpa came and come with her to explore her grandparents' yard with their beloved dog.